Hello, my friend. Welcome to TalkBoost English. Today, we will learn English through a simple, calm, and powerful story. This lesson is inspired by the book Discipline is Destiny by Ryan Holiday. So relax, take a deep breath, and start this journey with me. Let's begin slowly and clearly. Discipline is the ability to do the right thing even when the right thing is difficult. Discipline means you control your time, you control your habits, and you control your actions. Many people think discipline is a punishment, but no, discipline is self-love. It is a gift you give to your future self. Every small action you choose today can change your tomorrow. Let me tell you a story, a simple story, about a simple man named Tom. Tom lived in a small American town. He worked in a grocery store. He was kind, he was friendly, and he had one dream. Tom wanted to speak English clearly and confidently. But Tom had a problem. He always said, "I will study tomorrow," and tomorrow never came. One morning, Tom looked in the mirror. He felt sad. He felt stuck. He felt small. He whispered to himself, "If I don't start now, when will I start?" So Tom made one simple rule: study English for 10 minutes every day. No excuses. The first day was easy. The second day was okay. The third day was difficult, but Tom still studied. He learned slowly, but he learned. After 1 week, he felt proud. After 1 month, he felt stronger. After 3 months, Tom started speaking simple English sentences. Not because he was special, but because he was consistent. Ryan Holiday teaches us a powerful idea. Small choices create big change. You don't need to run fast. You only need to keep walking. Just a little every day. Read 1 page. Learn 3 words. Listen for 5 minutes. Practice 1 sentence. These small actions grow into big results, just like tiny drops of water that slowly fill an entire ocean. Many people want to change their life. They want to learn English. They want confidence. They want success. But most people wait. They wait for a perfect moment. They say, "I will start tomorrow. I will start when I have time. I will start next week." But my friend, there is no perfect moment. Ryan Holiday says you cannot control the future, but you can control this moment. This moment, right now, is your power. Use it wisely. Use it well. Let me share another story. A story about a young woman named Sarah. Sarah wanted to become a runner, but she was not strong. She was not fast. She had no experience. On her first day, she ran for only 30 seconds. Then she stopped. She felt weak. She felt embarrassed. But the next morning, she tried again. 30 seconds. Then walk. Next day, 35 seconds. Next day, 40 seconds. Slow improvement. Tiny progress, but still progress. People laughed at her. They said, "You are too slow. You will fail." But Sarah said, "I don't need to win. I only need to show up every day." After 3 months, she ran 10 minutes. After 6 months, she ran 30 minutes. After 1 year, she completed her first marathon. Not because she was talented, but because she was disciplined. Every time you practice discipline, your brain becomes stronger. When you study English daily, your brain builds new connections. These connections help you remember words, speak clearly, understand faster, and feel confident. Discipline builds something powerful: self-trust. You begin to trust yourself. You begin to believe, "I can improve. I can grow." Discipline creates confidence. Here is a simple plan you can follow. 1. Study 10 minutes every day. 2. Learn 3 new words. Use them in a sentence. 3. Listen to simple English stories, like this one. 4. Speak for 2 minutes alone. Mistakes are okay. 5. Mark your progress with a small check mark on your calendar. Small steps, simple steps, strong results. Most people think freedom means doing whatever they want. But Ryan Holiday teaches true freedom comes from discipline. When you control your habits, you control your future. Tom became free because he studied daily. Sarah became free because she trained daily. And you you can become free too. One small action at a time. My friend, your dream is real. Your growth is real. Your English journey starts now. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You just need to show up every day. A little bit with love, with courage, and with discipline. Repeat these words slowly. My discipline is my destiny. My small actions create big results. I improve every day. Thank you for learning with TalkBoost English. Stay disciplined, stay confident, and keep learning slowly and clearly every day.